So I hope you all enjoyed our semi-classical piece. So I'd like to talk a little bit about the band. A few of us got together early this year to share our passion for music. In about February of this year, we decided to form an Indo-rock / fusion band, a genre of music that we are most influenced by. While we are influenced by a lot of Indian music, most of our band members have played with classic rock bands in the past. This brings the fusion element to our music. We believe music has no language, so the fusion of music from many genres and languages is what hopefully brings out tonight. Jazba is an Urdu word for passion that describes our emotion and love for music. Even though all of us have performed on stage before at various occasions, this is our very first concert together as a band since we formed Jazba, and we are glad that you all are a part of this memorable event. So with all that talking, are you guys ready to rock?